How to assembling the tube with the platform. At first we need to prepare two wrench, and then we find the correct screw. The screw is M10 by 25, and with the wrench and fix each corner have two screw like this. And then when we finish the first position, then we turn to other one. So when we fix the four tube with the platform, so the first platform with the tube finish, then we start to another one. How to assembling the stair with the platform. Now we show you the video. At first, you need to prepare the tool, L-shaped tool, and the screw, and the screw cover, and the two ring. And the screw is M10 by 25 millimeter. And this side for the screw with the ring, and outside and outside this outside with a ring and the screen cover. So then you fix. Okay, you fix. Then for each stair with the platform have two sides. We have left have one screw, and the right have one. But we prepare maybe 5 hole. So you just find the correct hole and fix with the screw ring and the screw cover. 2 is enough. Okay, finish. How to assembling the stair handrail. At first we prepare the screw with the two ring and with the screw cover. So inside this one each side for one ring, and then fix with the screw cover. And the item of the screw is M10 by 25. This side for fix the down of the stair, and another side for this handrail. This bottle, this screw is M10 by 25, but the screw is loose. Shape is a little different with the another. So this side no the ring, and the another side with the ring and the cover with like this. This side, this inside, this through inside and the outside. Then you fix it. How to assembling the small handrail. One side fix the platform, another side fix with the tube. One side we use the M10 by 25 screw, and with the ring, another side ring and the screen cover another side, and fix with the L-shaped tool. And for the top side we use another clap, and have two kind screw. How to fix the tube clamp, and at first we find the screen size is M6 by this one in the middle is M6 by 50, and the two side is M6 by 16. For this small clamp for fix the 32 diameter tube, and for this 114 millimeter tube clamp, we use the screen is M6 by 30. Then we use the L-shaped to fix it. How to assemble the plastic panel. on the top of the panel, we already bury a tube inside. So this tube should be fixed like this. Two-sider will fix the clamper with the screen. And the bottom I show you how to fix. We use the screen is M10 by 30 millimeter, and we with one ring, and we fix with the L-shape tool. And each plus panel we fix with two. This side have another screen with two screen enough. So how to assembling this prior slider? Now we see the bottom of the slider, how to fix and how many screen. This slider we can see they have 3 screen and the two sider. The two sider in the middle one, the screen is M10 by 50, and the two sider the screen is M10 by 30 millimeter. And we use we can see each screen with the screen cover, screen ring, 2 screen ring, and then we fix the screen ring on each side for 1 ring, and then we fix with L-shape tool. Then we fix inside. You can see. How to assembling the slider? Whatever the single slider or double slider fixed with the platform, I can show you how to assembling at the bottom. And first we find the screen is M10 by 50, and with the 2 ring and the screen cover. So each side we give them 1 ring, and then we fix with the 7 the L-shape tool for fix. And each slider we can see 1, 2. But maybe if you need, you can fix another in the middle, another screen. You think would be more stronger. So that's enough to fix. How to assembling this plastic climber. So we use the screw, 2 kind of screw. This side we use the screw is M8 by 50. This side, and this side we use the M6 by 50. Then fix it. Fix with the L-shape tool to fix. How to fix the glass board on the plastic panel? We use the screw is M10 by 25 millimeter screen, and then we fix with the L-shape tools, and fix for each of them. How to assembling the single slider? We use the screw. The screw is M10 by 50 millimeter, and the tool is L-shape. And each side, you can see, each side have 1 ring. And inside also have 1 ring, and with the screen cover. And for each slider we need 3. 1, 2, 3 screen fixed, so it's strong enough. How to assembling the tube slider? Each part, how to connect? We use the screen is M10 by 25 millimeter, and each side with the ring each side, and we use the tool is the L shape. So you just put the screen in each hole and fix. That's all. How to assembling the one stepper stair. The top of the stair we fix with the M10 this shape screen. M10 by 25 millimeter, and on the top we have 3. 1, 2, 3, and on the bottom here we one position here we have one kind of this kind of screen with M10 by 30 millimeter, and with one ring, and then we fix like that, like the plastic panel, on fix on top, and the screen with the L shape. The leaf roof we fix like that. This is we use the M10 by 50 screw, and we fix by the L shape tool, and like that, and like eating like this border like this border dino, we fix same like that. How to fix the roof, the dinosaur roof with the tuber, and then this big one we fix like that. We with some screw, use this kind of tool, or maybe you use like some electrical or automatic machine for screw inside, and for each leg fix with the tuber, then for more stronger and safe like that. How to fix this plastic tunnel? We can see we've already fixed some small tuber on it. So you just need to fix with the clamp and with the screen before we show you on a video, and then this. And then most important is here. We fix this bottom with M10 by 35, 4 position. On the bottom have 2 position, and on the top there also have position. So 4 position for fix with the platform. Then it's strong enough. To assembling the U-shaped bridge. Now we show you. Each side will be connected with the platform, and the screen is M10 by 30, and with the ring, and the tool is L-shape tool. So we fix inside. To each side connected with the platform 2 screw. So all of this U-shaped bridge we fix with the platform totally 4 pieces position. How to assembling the handrail panel? The bottom we fix with the M10 by 35, and the L shape to fix, and another side, and on the top same with the crab like that. Well, before we already show you on the video, you can check again. And another side same. How to assembling the dino stair with the platform. The screen is M10 by 35 millimeter, and this is the tool for fix the screen. And we have we need to fix a 3-point. So that's it. How to fix the foot plate, the tube plate? We use the screen is M6 by 50, and the tool is L-shaped tool, and we fix 1, 2, and another side same. So 4 screw, we fix all of them enough. For the slider, a spiral slider inside, usually we have still a tuber, and for make it fix, and the spiral slider for more stronger and not swing. So usually we have the bottom, this kind of bottom need fix in the cement in the ground. So you can screw with the machine, make a hole and put inside for this bottle, and then make the screw outside, then fix with the plate with the tool.